India, you have the sugarcane juice you'll find on the street side and stuff. If you want to have a good refreshing juice, always go for sugarcane whenever you're in India. In Goa, the price right now what we drank from here is around 70 rupees. That is, if I calculate again in 100 rupees for 1 pound, then it is 70 pence, 0.70. Okay, what we drank was half liter for 35. 1 liter is 70 and it's very refreshing. It's very nice. I'll tell you guys what happened, right?
I would humbly request KTM to change its name. Because I asked for KTM showroom and they are showing me SBI, Axis Bank, ATM, not KTM.
It's frustrated. 1 second. We came to. He wanted to see KTM, okay, bike showroom. He wanted to see KTM. So he said, maybe let's go and have a look and then we'll go for lunch.
No, they are.
No, one second, wait. So we went there, okay, to the Fatoda junction. The KTM showroom was closed, we couldn't find it. So we came ahead and there was this one guy, I think, the shop, we asked one of the shop owner, we said, where is KTM? So he told us that it's ahead, when you go ahead and from the circle, it's to the left, okay. You'll have near SBI and some other bank name, he told us. So we were like, okay. He said, what about the one over here, KTM showroom? He's like, oh, KTM has been closed down over here, which is over here. So we had some hope and we went ahead. As we went ahead, we reached the junction as they directed us, and we were searching the place. We asked a second shop, another shop over there. We asked him, where is KTM? So he said, it's ahead there. When you go to the junction, it's over there. So again we took a turn, again we went there. A little ahead from where they directed us. We went ahead and we noticed, we asked another guy, we said, where is KTM? He said, it's SBI over there, only that one is there. So I looked at Elton and I said, wait, are they talking about ATM? I think they're talking about. So I said, not ATM, bike showroom, KTM. Like, we don't know KTM. And we were searching.
So remember, if you're, it's like,
please specify what you need. We should say bike showroom KTM, not ATM.
I think they were like, Paile ATM, Maki KTM.
And so long I was hungry. He's not even taking me for lunch.
Yeah.
He's taking me to KTM showroom. So now you know you should not leave your girl hungry.
Unnecessary.
He's pissed off.
It's not posting.
Yeah. आजकल के बुर्गी look फोनाक सुसेक दिनाई हाथ असताना फोन जायो. I'm telling you, आजकाल की भुरगीं आमची तेंपान टीव्ही नासलोली, लायट नासलोली, नासतना जेताली. आतां भुरग्यां फोन नासतना जेवपा जायना. आं जेवण पोटां वचना. So he's going to see football now.
King.
Team of Goa is ready to go, all set. That is Papa, who is over there waiting for another team member to arrive. have a shopping center up in Margaon station. This is the railway station in Margaon. If you run short on clothes for your journey, please stop and buy for yourself. You have a recreation space with massages and everything over here. Quite nice. This is the sitting area for everybody. So currently I am in Powerhouse at the moment. It is 2:35 in the night. We just came from Mapsa. I have this auntie behind us which came for tea. She's got 3 options. One is like a plain black tea, one is the the normal milk tea that we have, and one is coffee. And she has also biscuits on the side, maska pav, and she also has something biscuits over here. She's always here with a very good reasonable price. The best part is also you don't have to litter. She also has a small bin over here. If you guys are around Powerhouse or are passing from Powerhouse, do come and have chai with her. She's amazing. She's here until 7:30 in the morning. And then just start from 2 o'clock she's here. For all the lorry people, whoever are going on this side, the truck people, it's a very good initiative that she's taken to start off putting a small stall. I think her first stall, पहिली stall तुमची हांगा. तू पहिले आयली. First, I think pandemic time I learned. In the pandemic she came out and she started this thing. It's a very good thing, especially for the truck drivers and everything. Coffee,
black tea, sizzling tea.
sizzling tea.
Yes, red mint tea, sizzling tea, black tea, lemon tea, coffee, आणि मट्टी बिस्किट, मस्का पाव आणि रेड mint tea.
What else do you all want? All the varieties up over here. तुमची चाव कितल्याची? तुमची
चाव 10 रुपये.
हां
स्पेशल चाय 15.
हां
लेमन टी 10 रुपये, ब्लॅक टी 10 रुपये, कॉफी 20 रुपये, मट्टी 15 रुपये, मस्का पाव 15 रुपये.
So all the prices out here, you have it for 10. Special teas for 15 rupees. Lemon tea is for 10 rupees. Plain tea, plain black tea is for 10 rupees. Coffee is 20 rupees. Then you have matti biscuit for 15 rupees. No,
Yes.
15, yes. Maska
मस्का
pav
पाव 15.
15.
To be specific, the time is 2:35 in the morning.
We just came from Mapsa. We are searching for a tea stall, and we should remember that there is a place, there is this auntie in Powerhouse, and we came straight over here, and we were so glad that we had her tea. We had almost 3 to 4 cups.
Anybody who's traveling to Goa, anywhere you are,
Then
Yeah.
we ordered another coffee.
another
also.
coffee, liked it very much.
Look at
So
that.
anywhere in Goa, if you want to have, tea or
We
anything,
are passing by Margaon Powerhouse. Stop over here.
stop over here. This is the main junction,
The best part is
Powerhouse.
The best part is I like this one. This is
Yeah.
right near Powerhouse Circle,
कोण मरे
Powerhouse Junction.
आमगे गोंयकार बॉयज आहाय ते तुमकां रातीको कांय खावपा जेवपा मेळना. आम रातीको भायर सरो मेळना. हिंगा 8 9 सगळें बंद जाता गोंया. सो जेंकां कोणा रातीको खावपाची वा भोंवपाची संवय आहा ते मार्गांव ही बायल आसता. हे बरे 7-8 भाशेन चाव आहा. प्लस हावडा हिंगा मस्का पाव आनी बिस्कीट एक हे आनी गिराक घालाय. तुमकां रातीको कांय ना. ही बायल शुअर आसतली. बाय.